Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, there is something that I find a little problematic in Windows in general. Well, if you got a powerful computer, it isn't much of a problem. But we had already talked and already had comments here on the channel about the Microsoft Store being kind of long to open and a little slow. But one thing that I came across yesterday was that in a machine, my Windows 10 machine that I use to actually make the videos, it's not a super powerful machine, but it's still a Core i5 7th generation. Just before what they accept as the minimum requirement. So I don't consider that to be a sluggish machine technically, and Windows 10 works great on it, except it becomes real slow if I open the Microsoft Store. And I find that Microsoft Store seems to be bogging down older systems when you open it. And also it seems to be, and it is slow to do what you want, slow to go to the different, just even to open, even on more powerful machines. So I'm wondering if they should kind of, rethink the Microsoft Store a little bit, because it seems to be very sluggish today. It's not like the first versions that we had, like in the Windows 10 operating system. It was pretty zippy, pretty fast, and didn't really seem to slow down anything. Now you finally get a store, and I think the animations and all that they are actually adding to it is really bogging down too much the system. It's crazy, but I find that they need to work on the store to make it better. And performance and responsiveness, I think it's really important for that to happen. Really, really important. One other aspect also is the weird bugs that can happen sometimes, like you update stuff and it doesn't update on the first try, or sometimes it updates only when you restart. I think there needs to be work done for the Microsoft Store to really, really work well. Because right now, on slower machines, I think it's really, really too sluggish. And even on fast machines, it's a little slow to react. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.